Benny the Beaver woke up to the gentle hum of bees floating through the air. "Hello there," Benny called. A cheerful bee buzzed closer and waved her tiny wings. The bee said, "Welcome to our meadow, Benny. We're busy making honey today." Benny watched as some bees gathered nectar, while others built the hive together. "We each have a special job," said the bee proudly. "Together, we make something sweet." Benny gently carried fallen flowers closer to the bees to make their work easier. The bees shared a drop of golden honey with Benny. It tasted warm and wonderful. "Everyone has an important job," said Benny. "And when we work together, great things happen." As the sun set, Benny waved goodbye to his buzzing friends, grateful for their kindness. The end. Benny the Beaver will return for another forest adventure.